Hello, kids. Today we are going to learn about fruits. Fruits are healthy, tasty, and full of energy. Let's explore them one by one. This is an apple. Apples are red, sweet, and crunchy. This is a banana. Bananas are yellow, soft, and healthy. This is a mango. Mangoes are called the king of fruits, sweet and delicious. Mandarin, neon orange burst, peeled into glowing slices of juicy power. This is a strawberry. Strawberries are red, sweet, and tasty. Pomegranate, glowing red crystal, cracked open with juicy neon seed power. This is a coconut. Coconuts are hard outside and sweet inside. Cherry, neon red gems sliced open to release tiny sparks of juicy power.